Okay, everyone, Mikey from Darman absolutely deserves coal in his stockings for Christmas this year. Absolutely, because in May of this year, he pulled the fire alarm in his school to skip a test. He is not getting anything but coal in his stockings for Christmas this year. For pulling the fire alarm to skip a test. Man, Mikey has been very naughty. After he pulled the fire alarm to skip a test, that was really it for him. This is why you never ever, I mean never ever, pull the fire alarm to skip a test. You only pull it when there is a real emergency, or if you have permission to do it for a drill or a system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. But if it's not for those reasons, you do not pull the fire alarm, or else you will end up like Mikey from Darman. Goodbye.